This question has came in CBSE board examination. This question is of 2 marks, and if you will attempt this question, this may will lead you to take around 7 to 8 minutes to solve this question. And this question was the first question in your board examination. So if you are giving 10 to 15 minutes in this question, this may lead you to drag with your time. So this question was intentionally given to the student so that a student can't attempt those questions which are easy for you. So whenever you are doing the CBSE board examination, just you have to do all the easy question, then move on to some questions like this. I will tell you how to solve this question, but there are some things that I need to understand whenever we are solving the questions. Okay, so the question is given as log x minus 3 upon log x to the power 4. Okay, what we will do, we will separate the value one by one. So here I will write it as log of x upon log of x to the power of 4. And here you will write minus of 3, and here this one will be written as log x to the power of 4. And I will take this value as dx. Log x can cancel this one, you will get the value as log x cube. And here you will get 1 by log x to the whole cube dx minus 3 1 by log of x to the power 4 dx. I will write it like this. Now I will not touch this value because we already know if we will do the differentiation of this one, you may get something in the form of log x to the power 4. So I will try to change everything in this part. So here you will write 1 by log of x cube, and here you will write it as 1 into dx. Now integration of parts we already know. So firstly you will write 1 by log x to the whole cube and integration of 1 into dx. I will write it like this. Now next part I will do the integration and then differentiation of the value, and I will write it as 1 by log x to the whole cube. That's it. And again 1 into dx and the whole integration that we will take. Now you can write the value as x by log x to the whole cube, because the integration of 1 as x, we will write it as like this. Now let's do the differentiation of 1 by log x to the whole cube. So here you will write this one as minus of 3 log x to the power 4 into 1 by x. Since we are having the negative, it will become positive, and the integration of x, that will integration of 1, that will become x. And here you will write integration, and this one will be written as dx. Everything will get cancelled. You will get the value as, I will write it as 1 by log x to the whole cube plus 3 by log x to the power 4, and dx is given minus of 3 by 1 by log x to the power 4 dx is given. Since this value and this value is same but having the different sign, so we can cancel this one. So if you will cancel these two values, you will get the integration as x by log x to the whole cube plus. So you will get integration like this. So this is the important question, or we can say slightly trickier question, so that you can it will take time to solve this kind of question. Okay, if you will get it at first, you may get confused that how to solve such kind of question in 2 marks. So that's why be conscious in paper. Whenever you are solving such kind of question, you have to be conscious and try to solve easy question first, then move on to the harder ones, because 2 or 3 questions will come in your examination that may be hard for you, and that will take more time. Now the important thing, I will share most of the video in terms of like this, which is slightly higher, but that is also important for you. So what you can do, you can share like my video and share my video. If you want to see such kind of video, you can subscribe my channel, and that will be helpful for you also, so that that will be courage for me to give the more question in terms of like this. Okay, till then let's meet in the next question.